Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to create a demo for the volunteer application form by using Quiz and Survey Master, which is the best WordPress plugin. So let's get started. To create our volunteer application form, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress websites and to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick disposable WordPress website in no time. I have already set and installed the QSM plugin on my website. Let's start by creating an application form. So the first step is hover over QSM and then click on Quizzes and Surveys. Once you click on Create a Quiz or Survey, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. QSM has 4 stunning themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now on Quiz Setting, we get the option of the initial setup of our form, like setting a name for the quiz or the form, selecting what kind of form we are using, time limit, you can set your time. Also, you could also set up if you want only logged in users to be able to fill the form. Now comes the add-ons section. We get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Right now, we are going to skip this part and let's click on Create Quiz. So, the Questions tab is where we can enter our questions for the volunteer application form. Let's enter the questions for our application form. Okay, so let's start with the first one. After entering the question, on the right-hand side, you can choose a type of question and answer from the drop-down. For this, I am taking the number type question here. Let's mark the question as required, so these questions can't be skipped. For now, let's go with the short type answer, then click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Let's click on Create a New Question at the bottom of the Questions tab. Alright, so let's create a second question. For this question, we will be selecting the multiple choice type question, and then save the question. Let's go for another question by clicking on Create New Question. Now, in the third question, let's create this as a multiple choice horizontal format question so that our user could select the proper option. Let's add 2 options here for the users to choose from. Now, in the fourth question, let's create this as a multiple choice question so that our user could select the proper option. Let's add 3 options here for the users to choose from. Now all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the email address of the applicants. Click on Add New Field, and let's select the field type as a small open answer and label it as Full Name. Let's select the Use For section and select Name there. Again, add another contact field. Let's select the contact field for this one as Email and label it as Email Address. And then let's select the Use For section and select Email there. And lastly, let's click on the Save Contact field. Now since our question for the form is set and the contact field is configured to collect the data, let's preview our application form by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. And as you can see, we have created a volunteer application form successfully. And that's all for this tutorial. Until next time, bye-bye, stay safe.